Typical water dispensers offer 3 water temperature options: ice cold, hot, or room temperature. Many people prefer dispensers over water from the sink because you can choose hot or cold water with a single click, which is pretty convenient. Today, several offices and homes are equipped with dispensers to provide chilled or warm water instantly. So, if you are also looking for the best water cooler dispenser for your home or workplace, perhaps you've landed on the right video. There are many products available to choose water cooler dispensers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best water cooler dispensers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Brio Maternity Bottom Load Water Cooler. This powerful, long-lasting cooler is yet another option if you're looking for the best water bottom-loading dispenser with a minimal design and handy features. With hot, room, or cold temperature options, you can accessibly choose the water temperature of your choice. You can enjoy the water as cold as 39 degrees Fahrenheit or as hot as 174 degrees Fahrenheit. So, whether it's your favorite hot beverage or ice-cold drink, you can get water with a single touch. Additionally, you won't have to struggle to lift heavy water bottles because it has a bottom-loading cooler. The dispenser cabinet can accommodate 3 or 5 gallon water bottles. As you push the button for water, the bottom-loading cooler pumps up the water within seconds. So, you won't run out of hot or cold water. Also, this super cool dispenser has an LED light for you to see the accurate spout during the night. Number 2. Avalon Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. In today's digital age, nobody wants to wait for the water faucet to pour warm water or for the fridge to chill the water. What if you get it all in one place, and that too instantly? Well, Avalon brings you the best bottom-loading water dispenser. 3 temperature settings allow you to customize your drinking experience. This dispenser features a crisp cold cooler piping hot output. Water cooler is bottom-loading to eliminate the strain of lifting, reduce spills. Whether you want to drink a cup of hot green tea or enjoy ice-cold lemon water, Avalon bottom-loading water dispenser has you covered. All you need to do is click on the button and choose from hot, cold, or room temperature, per your preferences. This innovative cooler comes with a bottom-loading design to reduce spills and eliminate lifting. What's more, the high contact areas of this cooler are treated with BioGuard antimicrobial coating to keep bacteria at bay. Furthermore, it comes with a child lock, so you won't have to worry about your toddlers sneaking in the kitchen and spilling hot water. Number 3. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. Take a break from old-school drinking water methods, upgrade to Brio Self-Cleaning Water Cooler, and get pure and filtered water with just one click. This best water cooler comes with a bottom-load cabinet where you can place the water bottle. That means a sleek yet classy cabinet door hides away your bottle and gives an organized display to your home or office. Additionally, you have the option to choose from hot, cold, and room temperatures, so you can select water according to your preferences. If you have toddlers, you might worry about them pouring hot water accidentally, but guess what? The dispenser has a child safety lock, so it's pretty safe to place anywhere at your home. What else is good? Its night light feature allows you to see during the night, preventing you from pressing the wrong spout. Lastly, what makes this product stand out is the ozone self-cleaning feature. All you need to do is press the button, and the dispenser will clean itself with its self-cleaning technology. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.